And if you're using Instagram and you're not making money, I need to flog you. Like, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still your girl, Krista Ever. If this is your first time of seeing my face, please hit that bell like button below. Make sure you subscribe as well. If this is not your first time and have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification on to be the first to be notified anytime I drop a new video. I want to say a very big thank you for the love and support you guys showed me on my last video, and that is why I am here to give you another tips on how to make money using your smartphone. If this is something that you like, I will encourage you to keep on watching. So today's topic is how to make money online using your smartphone. Bring your popcorn, relax and sit down because I'm going to be giving you my top 5 on ways to earn money using only your smartphone. So the first one I'm going to talk about is social media management. So how do you do that? Managing an account doesn't end up with liking a post, replying DMs. No, it doesn't end with that. Being a social media management, you have to create an engaging content depending on your contract. You have to find a trending audio so that your post will be visible and discovery to other people. You have to learn how to write captions. You have to learn how to create engaging content. You have to learn how to reply, how to learn how to do bio revamp in case if the account you are managing have not revamped their page or their page is not up to standard. You have to know how to do automatic reply on DMs. All these things matters a lot. You have to learn how to grow an account. If you're managing a business, you have to learn the branding, you have to learn the color, you have to learn their tune, you have to learn so many things about the brand or the business or the influencer that you are managing. So being a social media manager is kind of easy, but it is not easy because you have to put in the work. You have to put in the work. You have to, you have to do your assignments now. You have to know how to run ads, know how to do targeting audience, the right target audience. You have to know how to do SEO. You have to know how to do your SEO, search engine optimization. You have to do all these things for you to become a social media manager. So if this is something that you like, I will encourage you to find a course or an institute or a group that teaches about social media management. And with all this that I have mentioned about social media management, you can as well do all that, including scheduling a post, remaining consistent, all with your phone, with your smartphone. You don't need a laptop. The second one I have to mention is YouTube. Yes, I don't use any digital camera. I am using only my smartphone. And the smartphone that I'm using is not an iPhone. It's an Infinix product that have enough storage for me to record my video, edit it in one place, that's on my smartphone, then export it or upload it on my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm not going to smooth talk that YouTube pays more than the other. No, before YouTube can pay you is if you post consistently, if you avoid copywriting, if you put in the work. So how do you put in the work? One, you must pass these criteria that are released. You must have 1,000 subscribers and you must have 4,000 watch hour before you can become a YouTube partner. So without this, YouTube will not monetize any of your content. Monetization, when YouTube monetizes your channel, is when you can be able to start earning money on YouTube, and not when you create a YouTube channel then you post. No, you have to pass these two categories that I mentioned, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour before YouTube can start paying you. And once you reach that criteria, so YouTube pays, and imagine earning on YouTube monthly on this dollar rate, like you are earning $200 to $500 every month. Just imagine what it will do to your life. Another thing I have to talk about YouTube is once YouTube starts paying you, don't be dormant on your channel. Try as much as possible to post consistently, be it every five days, every one week, or weekly, or howsoever you want to schedule your content. And yes, you can schedule your content on YouTube. You can create your content for 1 month and then schedule it for the month and start creating another content for YouTube. Also, make sure that whatever that you are creating or you are bringing out on YouTube, that it is something that you like, something that you do every time and always, so that you will not get burnt out. So the third thing I have to mention is virtual assistants. So how do you get virtual assistant jobs? You can get them on Upwork, you can get them on Top Talent, you can get them on Fiverr. So I'm going to be talking about Upwork because Upwork is what I am into, and they also pays in hard currency. So Upwork have so many talents. Don't be like, I don't have a skill. Okay, Upwork deals with skills as well, deals with talent, deals with knowledge and so many other things. So don't be like, I don't have a skill, I don't do this, I don't do that, I don't do that. Yes, Upwork deals with all this that I have mentioned, but that doesn't mean that you will not earn a job or get a job on Upwork. There are so many talents that Upwork offers, like digital, YouTube, graphics, data analysis, project management, worships, reading, as in so many things that you think that is not necessary. People are earning money from it on Upwork. So make sure that you join a group that teaches you about Upwork, so that you will gain a deep knowledge of this thing that I am talking about. And Upwork pays hourly and also pays on fixed job. So all these things, all the ones that I have mentioned, you can find them as well, and also find a group to join so that they will give you more knowledge of what I am talking about. Please, before you start an Upwork, or before you start thinking of Upwork, find somebody that will teach you about it. Find somebody that will teach you how Upwork works. So the fourth one I have to mention is, how do you create a product, a digital product that you want to sell? You can create a digital product with Canva app. Even if you don't have the app, you go to their web, canva.com, register with your email, then start creating your digital marketing. I have talked about this on my last video, so I'm going to go a little bit deep about digital marketing. Digital marketing or digital product, let me just use the word digital products. Digital products is about creating a product or creating a course that you want to sell. Your ebook, start creating your digital products. If you have a product, if you have a digital product and you don't know how to monetize it, there is a link in the description. All you have to do is tap on it. The cost of the ebook is not up to 5,000 naira. Go and buy it now. They are on sales. It will open your eyes on how to monetize your digital product using your Instagram reels or Facebook reels. And believe you me that I use 8 seconds video to monetize my reels. I use 8 seconds video or 8 seconds reels to monetize my digital products. How do I do that? Is in the description. Make sure you check them out so that you start now to start monetizing your reels if you have a digital product. If you want to start creating your own digital product, please join my free class. Even if you want to earn money, because this free class I'm going to explain everything about how to make money online. Join it using the link down below as well. So digital products, you create digital products, you create courses, you talk about it, you sell, you make your money using your bio, using your Instagram stories or Facebook stories or your Facebook self, you just post and put the link of what you are selling. If people like it, they will go and buy. It's as simple as that. Whether you are an introvert, whether you are an extrovert, it doesn't mean being an introvert. You can create a faceless videos of you, then you post it on your Instagram and you are good to go. And if you're using Instagram and you're not making money, I need to flog you. Like, I need to flog you. Please make sure you get this ebook because it will open your eyes. It's not even long, sir. After reading it, you come and say thank you because I opened a lot. Like, people that have bought from me, they are like, oh my god, I didn't know that I can make money using Instagram. I didn't know that I can make money using Facebook. And I'm here watching people's posts, and I'm here. Please make sure you get it. Like, I know what I'm talking about. Make sure you get it. I created another account on Instagram, and imagine me having 73. Sometimes it will reduce. Instagram will remove whatever they want to remove, and I'll have 70 or 71 followers. And I am earning. Yesterday, I was able to earn almost 8,000 naira. Who dash me 8,000 naira in this economy? So the last thing I have to talk about is affiliate marketing. This marketing is very important, especially if you are too lazy. I talked about this in my last video. If you are too lazy to create anything, don't bother about it. I got you covered. All you have to do is go to channels, for example, stake cards, for example, seller that have affiliates or creators that offers affiliates so that you go and copy the link. Make sure when copying the link, you are copying the link of somebody that offers between 30 to 60 or 30 from 30 upwards, either 30 to 100 or 30 to 80 or 30 to 70 commission rate so that you can imagine somebody that is offering 50% commission rate, which means that we are sharing the money. Do you understand? We are sharing the you do the work, me and you we share the money. You understand what I'm doing? Like affiliate marketing is big. You don't even need to do what you have to do is post a second reel with the affiliate link or create an account selling them. See, I have something for you that if you miss me by, you will not find me again. Join this group. Join this group so that you will not miss out. Because so guys, you have come to the end of this video. If this is something that you like, please give me a thumbs up, drop your comments down below as well. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I love you. See you next time. Bye.